गुड मॉर्निंग। सो कल शाम को जिपमर ने एक और दे हैव इंट्रोड्यूस्ड अ न्यू नोटिफिकेशन एंड फ्यू वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टफ. So I'm sharing with you. The broad details remain same. That's going to happen on 10th of January at Zipmar Pondicherry campus, though the seats are for the Karaikal campus. And once again they have shown what are the seats available. This is the final seat, which is exactly what they were introduced 5 days back. So we have 6 seats for general category, 6 for OBC, huge, 2 for EWS, 4 for SC and 1 for NRI, total 19. Now initially they have never asked us to fill up the online registration, but now they have given this link to do the online registration, and though it is written click the above link, you cannot click it. Actually it's non-clickable link, so you have to type it and then fill up the form, which is the online registration form, and you have to do it before 2 p.m. today. So that's why I'm creating this video early morning for you guys. Everything else remains same, so I will not spend too much time. Date is 10 January, time is 8 a.m. onwards for registration, and the venue is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Auditorium, which is Puducherry. And they have clearly mentioned that the counseling is going to happen in Puducherry campus, not the Karaikal campus. And of course, you have to take all your original certificates as they have mentioned in Appendix B. We will go through them. Candidates without original certificates will not be allowed to participate. Okay, so this again we know now more than enough. And people who are presented then in the morning and whose original certificates are verified from 8 to 10:30 a.m. they will actually start the counseling at 1:30 p.m. Okay, and they have again mentioned before, it will be happening first for journal, then EWS, then OBC, then SC/ST, and we know any seats which are remaining from EWS, OBC, SC/ST will be converted to journal. So there would be 2 rounds of journal, which is again they have mentioned here. If any OBC seat remains vacant after counseling for OBC seats, all the vacancies will be transferred to general category and will be offered to general category on merit. Same is for EWS, same is for SC/ST, but SC/ST they have taken as a group, which means we have 4 seats for SC. So if there is no SC available that day, it can also be given to ST. So SC and ST are taken as a single group, and of course but if no SC is available, irrespective of merit, you should note that. So if there is a ST available with more marks than SCs, still the 4 seats would be given to the any 4 scheduled caste who are sitting in that room on that particular day, right? So that I hope is clear. And again, that's why they mentioned general category guys should stay back after the completion. And once again they are saying, if you are holding a seat in round 2, round 1, mop up anywhere across India, state counseling or central counseling, you should not be coming there. The allocation of seat is surely on the merit basis. This is the Appendix B. What are the certificates you need to carry? Medical counseling registration slip, the original registration we did on MCC website, NEET scorecard, NEET admit card, class 10 mark sheet, class 12 mark sheet, your date of birth certificate, your character certificates from school, your transfer certificate, migration certificate, your domicile certificate if applicable. For OBC, you should have a certificate of non-creamy layer as mentioned in the Appendix 1. SC/ST certificate as mentioned in the Annexure 2. For EWS, they have clearly mentioned that the limit is 8 lakh rupees. So this is the EWS. Then for NRI, and candidates should also keep 6 passport size photographs along with the photocopies of the all originals. Okay. They mentioned that whoever is selected, they will go through a medical test. See, it's not an entrance test, it's basically your routine medical checkup to see that you are physically fit. We all know it's a pretty subsidized college. The fees is only 12,620 rupees, and that you can carry with you in demand draft by the name of Director Zipmar Puducherry, payable at Puducherry. Very simple. Hostel, everybody is given who is not from Puducherry. Once again, hostel, as we know, 6,000 rupees is for establishment charges, 5,000 rupees is caution money for hostel, 3,000 rupees is caution money for mess. Hostel room rent is only 6,000 rupees a year. And this is the various appendices. This is the OBC. So this is the format of OBC certificate that you need to carry. I'm sure it would be standard, which is generally used across India. So there should not be any major issue. This is the SC/ST certificate, again in the prescribed format. So don't take any risk if your format is different. And this is the EWS certificate. Because it's a central university, you can have EWS with any income less than 8 lakh rupees per annum. And of course, we know that we should not be having a flat of more than 1,000 square feet, a plot of 100 square yard, or 5 acres of agricultural land and above to be classified as EWS. Now comes the interesting part, and that is the sad thing about the Indian system as of now, because MCC counseling, because they are not in touch with the state counselings, ZIPMER from their side have introduced a eligible list of candidates who should be coming there. Now we have 6 seats for general, 6 seats for OBC. So they have given 15 times of that, which is 180 students from OBC and general category to be present there on a priority basis. But now look at that, even the last guy of this 180 is All India rank 1356. These are All India ranks, let me tell you friends. Now please tell me, do we think that anybody with All India rank of 1300 would be still sitting today waiting for a seat? But what is the problem? The problem is, maybe let's see these guys, rank 98, rank 108. These people must have taken seats in one of the state counselings. So they might be a Uttar Pradesh topper, or Karnataka topper, or a Maharashtra topper, or Rajasthan topper, and they would have taken SMS Jaipur or KGMU Uttar Pradesh through state counselling. But because there is no cross-checking between state counselings and the central counselling, which is MCC, so MCC have taken that much of pain of removing the people who they know have taken a seat through MCC counselling, which is essentially people who have gone through the All India quota, or people who have taken seats in AIIMS and other central universities. That's my guess. And because MCC will have that data, but MCC may not have the data, or ZIPMER, who is relying on MCC, will not have the data of how many people have taken government seats from state counselling. But that is the only justification, that people with such good ranks, All India ranks 440, 108, 148, I'm saying till the entire 180 students are in the top 1300. Now it is impossible for me to believe that these people would be sitting still waiting to get a seat, right? And that is how their list ends. Similarly, even for EWS, which has got 2 seats, they have called 10 times of people. Okay, and once again, look at the All India ranks. It is finishing at 1889, and that is what I am trying to say. I don't think at all that people of this category should be waiting. Even for that matter, even SC, All India SC rank of 6,000, 8,000 are pretty good. Why they would be waiting right now? So somehow I feel none of these people would be eligible for the 19 seats. They all would have taken seats somewhere. None of them is going to report on 10th, and that's why we should be calling ZIPMER. I'm not doing that part, but anybody who wants to take a seat in ZIPMER, call them and actually ask them, if none of these people report, then are they going to issue a new date, or would they allow people after this rank to be joining the counselling? Because I strongly feel that most of these people are already consumed in state counselings, and they will not be attending the ZIPMER counselling. Okay, so this is for for me is absolutely waste of effort of publishing this list. And so I would still suggest people who are in the range of 18,000, 22,000 all India rank, even for general category, and if you haven't got a seat, private or government, you should go and take your chance. Have a nice day. Bye bye.